The Eurex have asked to look at my rock collection, but I think it's more interesting to go for a rock hunt. So I've organised a rock hunt instead. And I'm going to give you a little bit of help because it is a little bit difficult. And so there's 8 rocks I want you to find, and they're in a very close vicinity. Now, um, one of them is Gabbro, which has the large crystals here. And the other one here is the basalt, which is the same stuff but has very fine crystals. So the same material, deep oceanic crust. One cools quickly, one cools slowly. Um, they're crystalline, all right? This one will typically have a rough structure. It's a sandstone, right? You can even feel once come off here, to be honest, right? Although it might have been shinied. Now, these ones here, sorry for the camera being a bit wobbly. Um, I'm just going to say that that's granite. Now, they're all different crystal sizes, and you can see they're different compositions. So one of this one's got like no quartz in it, so that's actually cyanide, and this one's just black and white, and so that's got very little quartz as well. But that one's got a lot of feldspar, a lot of plagioclase, that one's diorite. But they all look sort of similar-ish, so I'm just going to call them all granite. All right, so just large crystals, multicolored, will do us. All right. Now, another super hard one that you're not going to be allowed to do is this one here, quartz and marble look very similar. Now, this is sort of quartzite. Now, this one I have tested previously, so it definitely does not fizz, and it's very hard. You can't scratch it, so this one's actually quartzite. But if it fizz, they look the same. They've sort of got some sort of texture to them, this crystally texture. Um, so this one's igneous, and the other one is metamorphic. It's calcium carbonate that's been metamorphosized. That would be the marble. And I want you to find both of those. All right. And then the last one I talked about previously is this one difficult to tell from um, what is it? The Merivale Fernvale Beds. What's the name now? I can't remember. But this is Hornfels. Um, and the key clue, because it looks like it's maybe basalt that's been metamorphosed, which would be Hornfels as well. Um, grey wacky, that's it. Um, the grey wacky can look like this as well, unfortunately. Um, and it has like some obvious signs of metamorphism, like quartz veining, foliation, or in these ones, sort of the dark, some more mineralization, the black forming, which I think might be biotype. I have to check that. Okay, so there's another crystal there. All right, so basalt to hornfels or greywacke to hornfels, I don't know. Um, that's quite a common rock too. Okay, so there's 8 rocks to find. And I just forgot one more, sorry. Quartz with a red opaque. Uh, this one's been shiny in a rock tumbler. That's called jasper. Right, so go find that too.